Happy birthday, my poker queen. It's your golden birthday, your favorite color. So once this pandemic is over, we are going to have a huge celebration. And may God always bless you and make you laugh just like how you make all of us laugh. I still can never forget the way you made me laugh in a horror movie. Only you can do that, nobody else. Love you, and I'm so glad to have you as a friend in my life. Love you.
Dearest Shalini, happy 50th birthday. Turning 50 is quite a special occasion, and we truly wanted to tell you what we feel about you on this special day. Thank you for all the cheerfulness throughout the years. Thank you for all the times that you have kept us in splits and tears with all your jokes and all your fun. So enjoy this special day, enjoy this special years ahead. And your family thinks that you are a superstar. We adore your vivaciousness and your fun. We will always be there for you, no matter near or far. Have a great day and a wonderful year.
Here is Sean. Happy birthday to someone who's forever young. Age is just a number, and you are a perfect example for this. So keep enjoying your special day, all the pampering that comes your way. Keep spreading joy, cheer, happiness wherever you go. Love you loads. Happy birthday again.
शालिनी, तुम्हारा हरदम चहकना, बन सवर कर महकना, खिलखिला कर हंसती हो तुम और कभी न होती गुमसुम। स्ट्रॉन्ग, पॉजिटिव और ताश की शौकीन, शालू, you are our dancing queen. Always chirpy, crazy after movies and ready to party. A lovely friend, mother, daughter-in-law and wife. Shalu, you're always full of life. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. A very happy 50th birthday, Shalu.
Happy birthday, Shalini. May you always have a great time and spread that positive energy of yours around. Have a wonderful year and God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Shalini. Ranveer Singh style. Guess who?
A very happy 50th birthday to you, Shalini. Loads of wishes, hugs and love on your milestone birthday and always. If I had to describe Shalini in one sentence, it would be live life king size and always be the queen. Happy 50th, golden girl, multifaceted, that's you. May your dreams all come true, Shalini. Happy birthday, we love you. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hi Shalini, happy 50th birthday. Keep smiling.
Have a great year, Shalini. All the best.
Happy 50th to Shalu. Happy 50th to Shalu. Our poker queen and our queen of hearts. Have a happy birthday. Though you have to bear Shalu.
Always smiling and full of cheer. Dear Shalini, to us you are very dear. Here's wishing you on this very special day. May you always remain healthy, happy and gay. To a person we all know and who all of us adore, congratulations on your 50 years and cheers to 50 more. Happy birthday, Shalini. Good luck. God bless.
Hi Shalini, wish you a very happy birthday and all the best for many more. I have known you for 27 years. Of late people have been saying that you are a very positive person, but I think तेरे डिक्शनरी में नेगेटिव वर्ड ही नहीं है. तेरे को जब भी देखूं मैं, पोकर में भी हम लोग खेलते थे, एवरी गेम यू आर गोइंग टू विन. And I'll tell you, talking about poker, I never enjoyed winning against you. And any party we go, you are a life of the party. तू आवे और उधर साला glow spread हो जावे कि भाई आ गई, मैडम आ गई. Always spreading laughter. You just bring life everywhere. God bless you. All the best.
Hey Shalini, तेरा 50th birthday आ गया. Enjoy. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Happy golden birthday, Shalini. Have a rocking and dazzling 50 ahead. You have always been our rock star. Stay the way you are. We love you.
I hope you're having the best birthday in your lockdown.
Always keep laughing and be bubbly as you are. Happy
birthday, Shalini. Golden birthday.
Golden girl, God bless you with happiness and good health. Stay smiling, stay shining always. Have a fabulous year ahead, and here's wishing you a happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hi Shalini, happy birthday. I've always seen you cheerful and smiling, so always be the same. God bless you with all the happiness and good health. Here's wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Shalini, you brought a lot of joy to our lives. You introduced us to poker, and hence we become such a close-knit group. You're a person who's full of life, positivity, and here's wishing you a happy 50th birthday. May God bless you with happiness, good health.
Hi Shalini, wishing you very happy birthday dear on your special day. May God bless you with all the happiness and good health. You be the beautiful person that you are inside and outside. I have known you for so many years and I've always seen you smiling. So keep that smile going. I love you. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday.
Cheers to my lovely friend Shalini. Keep smiling, keep glowing, my golden girl. God bless you with health and happiness always. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday and many, many more to come. And you're not off the hook. You have to treat us once the lockdown is over. Bye. Love you.
Hey, my dearest friend Shalini, wish you a very happy milestone birthday. On this wonderful day, I make a special prayer to Lord Krishna to bless you with good health, happiness and prosperity. A very happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Golden day for a golden girl. Happy 50th birthday. God bless you.
Hi Shalu, my picture queen, my posing queen, my selfie queen, my drama queen. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Waiting to meet you personally and celebrate with you. Till then, a big, big virtual hug coming your way. And wish you a lot of love, light, good health, positivity always. A happy 50th golden birthday, darling.
3 things that remind me of Shalini are her diamonds, her infectious giggle and laughter, and her positive attitude. Here's to many more years of fun, celebration, and laughter. Thank you, Shalini, for being such a wonderful friend. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hey Shalini, golden girl, wishing you loads of joy, success, and good health today and always. Remain the fun-loving, smiling, positive person that you are. And thank you for bringing so much fun into my life. I wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Hi Shalu, I just love the way you are always loving and smiling. Keep this attitude always. Stay young, love and light to you. Love you. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, a photo queen of High on Life. It's your golden birthday. Since the time I have known you, I have always seen you being so cheerful. Please continue to be so. Hope you are enjoying your birthday with cake and wine. Stay young and beautiful always. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hey Shalini, what's up? Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. But I don't believe you're turning 50 at all. I think you're still sweet 16 or 18. With all that positivity in you, you don't look a day older than 18. Here is wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the happiness, good health, and I can't wait to do this with you on the table.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shalini. Happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful year, fabulous birthday with loads of health, wealth, and prosperity. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Shalini. Have a wonderful day. Hey Shalini, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day today and always, and wishing many more to come. Lots of love to you. You're such an entho person for everything. Always be like that. Love you. And happy 50th birthday.
Hi Shalini, you're 50, but you're 100% awesome, pretty, gorgeous, and you're so much fun to be around with. Life is never dull with you around. I'm so glad to be friends with you. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. God bless. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Dear Shalu, happy birthday, love. Have an amazing day, photo queen. Ever since I have known you, your positive vibes, your positive energy has lit up our lives. Thank you for being the amazing person you are. Never change. Happy 50th birthday, Shalu. Love you.
Shalini, it's your very special day on the 31st of August. How can we forget? We normally celebrate it all together, the August bonds. Here's wishing you loads of happiness, love, lots of good health, and your giggles must continue because Shalini comes with her giggles and you lighten up the whole room when you walk in. Stay sweet, stay giggly. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, Shalini. God bless.
Wishing you health and happiness. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hey Shalu, happy 50th birthday. It's a big one. You're a big girl now. Join the club. You're on the other side of 50 now. Wish you all the very best and waiting to celebrate with you real soon. Love you.
Shalu, you're turning 50. Wow, but you don't look a day over 40. That's because I think of your positive attitudes in life, your always smiling face, not to forget your giggles. Stay smiling, stay healthy. May the 50s treat you well. Thank you so much for bringing so much joy into my life, and I wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Happy golden birthday. Shalini. Happy golden birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hi Shalini, wish you a very happy birthday. You were supposed to spend it with us, but not the worry, we'll do it some other time. Once again, wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Hi Shalini, many happy returns of the day, darling. God bless you. So this chashma is for you, so you don't feel left alone since you were turning 50. मुझे चश्मा नहीं लगा है, just to be with the theme for the years that you have turned into. Okay, love you, God bless you, and may you get all the wins in the card party that you deal in. सारे deals तू ही जीते, सब. I love you, God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Shalini.
मुंहिंजी मिठी प्यारी शालिनी, तोखे 50 साल बर्थडे जूं लख वाधायूं सिंधीअ में, छो त तो सिंधी सेण कया आहिनि न. God bless you. Happy 50th birthday.
Dear Shalini, always keep laughing and giggling like you do. Happy 50th birthday, Shalini.
Hey Shalini, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. We are ready, the pool is ready, the scene is ready, and we are ready to chill. Come on, baby birthday girl. Be ready to party.
We are not going to leave you without a party. Next weekend we are partying. Happy birthday for now.
Cheers.
Hey
Hi,
Shalini. How are you? A very very happy birthday to you. Live life king size.
Hi Shalini, wish you a very happy golden birthday. You are a rock star. You are very courageous, beautiful, and a very good human being.
Stay
Stay
as you
healthy,
are.
stay safe. Happy birthday. Enjoy yourself.
Happy 50th birthday. All the best.